Imagine having a tool that tells you exactly what your audience craves. Welcome to YouTube Analytics, a treasure trove of data about your channel and videos. See how many times your videos have been viewed, the total watch time, or even the average view duration. Discover the demographics of your audience, find out where your viewers are coming from, and track the growth of your subscribers. Observe your engagement metrics like likes, dislikes, comments, and shares. Use this information to identify your most popular videos, understand your audience better, and track your progress. Make data-driven decisions to boost your content strategy. Before diving in, set goals for your channel. Utilize filters to narrow down your data, compare your performance with past data or similar channels, and share your findings with your team or clients. Harness the power of YouTube Analytics, understand your data, and create content your viewers will adore. Remember, it's not just about making videos, it's about making videos that matter.